Welcome to Money Motivation, your go-to channel for global financial insights. Today is May 3rd, 2025, and in the next few minutes, we'll decode everything significant that happened in the world economy in the last 24 hours. From Wall Street to Dalal Street, from crude oil to crypto, from inflation to interest rates, this is your daily dose of economic clarity. Let's begin with the biggest news from the United States. The U.S. Federal Reserve announced it would pause interest rate hikes for the first time in over a year, sparking a positive reaction across global stock markets. The Dow Jones closed 1.2% higher, while the Nasdaq surged by 2.3%, led by tech giants Apple and Google, both of which reported better than expected earnings. Meanwhile, U.S. jobless claims rose slightly, raising concerns about potential cooling in the labor market, a sign that inflation might finally be slowing down. Experts are divided. Is this a soft landing or the beginning of something more serious? Now to Europe. The European Central Bank released a cautious note, stating that economic activity remains sluggish across the Eurozone. Germany, Europe's biggest economy, reported lower than expected factory output for the third straight month. The euro dipped slightly against the dollar, now trading at $1.07. In Asia, the focus is on China. China's latest export numbers show a modest rise of 1.8% compared to last month, indicating slow but steady recovery. However, real estate remains under pressure. Major property developer Evergrande is still struggling with debt, causing ripples in regional markets. India's economy had several updates today. The Sensex closed at 74,800, up by 110 points, and Nifty ended at 22,720, supported by auto and IT stocks. Tata Motors jumped 4.2% after posting record quarterly profits. However, inflation worries linger as vegetable prices surged in multiple states due to early heat waves. The RBI governor addressed the press this morning, emphasizing stability over aggressive policy changes. He stated that the rupee is stable and forex reserves are strong, which is good news for importers and NRIs. Speaking of currency, the USD-INR exchange rate is at 83.15, with minor fluctuations. Foreign institutional investors have remained net buyers for the third consecutive day. Let's take a look at commodities. Crude oil prices dropped by 1.5%, currently hovering around $83 per barrel. This came after reports of increased supply from OPEC Plus and lower than expected demand in Asia. Gold, on the other hand, is shining, up 0.8%, now at 71,400 rupees per 10 grams in India. Analysts say uncertainty in Europe and softening dollar are driving safe haven demand. Cryptocurrency markets remain volatile. Bitcoin is trading at $61,500, slightly down 0.5% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is at $3,180. The crypto world is still reacting to the SEC's latest statement on potential future regulations for DeFi platforms. In other global news, the World Bank issued a report warning of slowing global GDP growth in 2025, especially in developing nations, due to climate risks, debt burdens, and geopolitical tensions. Let's take a quick look at some top trending financial headlines today. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway revealed major stake increases in Japanese trading houses. Elon Musk hinted at a new payment integration for X, formerly Twitter, via Dogecoin. Saudi Arabia is in talks to revise oil output quotas with Russia. Japan's Nikkei surged by 1.7%, boosted by strong corporate earnings. What does this all mean for you, the everyday viewer? This is a time to stay updated, stay diversified, and not panic. The world is going through complex shifts, but knowledge is your best investment. By watching this video, you've already taken a step toward financial awareness. Before we wrap up, let's highlight 3 key takeaways from today. 1. Global stock markets are cautiously optimistic, but uncertainties remain. 2. Inflation is softening in some areas, but commodity prices still swing. 3. India remains stable with positive growth signals, though monsoon and food prices will be key to watch. That's all for today's Global Economy Update, May 3rd, 2025. This video was brought to you by Money Motivation, your daily guide to financial literacy, economic updates, and global wealth trends. If you found value in today's video, please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below with your country name, we'd love to know where you're watching from. And don't forget, every day is an opportunity to learn, grow, and take smarter decisions with your money. Stay informed, stay ahead. We'll see you in tomorrow's update.